at a bird, flora and fauna park. They have all of these beautiful different plants and some burbs. So we're going to see plants and burbs today. Hell yeah, we love plants and burbs. All the plants and burbs. Give me all of them. Platypus. This place is so magical. It's so beautiful. Look at these beauties. Oh my gosh. You know I love purple. More purple. Purple. You know I'm a hoe for purple. Oh my gosh, even more purple. I'm in heaven for purple flowers. Oh my god, there's so many purple. I can hear and see some birds, oh my god. Oh, there's some wild birds as well. Let's see if I can see it and focus me just up there in the trees. Little wild bird. Oh, he's so beautiful. What are you doing, babies? There's some burbs over there too. We'll be going there soon. We'll look at all the plants outside first. And oh my god, look at the sheer size of this beast. Mother-in-law is having a good old time talking with the groundskeeper at the moment. Such beautiful flowers. These are gorgeous colours of roses. Like a beautiful blush peach. I don't know why, but I find roses that are like this really beautiful. For those who don't know, it's winter time here in the southern hemisphere, in Tasmania. So it's cold. My gosh, just a few plants. Wow, look at those. Oh, these ones look fun. Look at these. Oh my gosh. So many beautiful flowers. Cactus. So much beautiful garden. I think there's some outside burbs I can say hello to. Oh my god. Hello, Cheeky. Oh my god, its name is Cheeky. You're so fluffy. Yes, you are. Oh, look at them wings.
Look at it.
Hello.
Cheeky. You call me cheeky.
You want to show them big wings? Oh, look at them huge wings.
Look, now you got all the attention.
That's an interesting post. Oh, oh, you're sideways. Oh my gosh.
What a dance.
Oh my gosh. Look how pretty. Oh. Oh my gosh, they are all so beautiful. I was saying hello to Cheeky earlier.
Oh, okay, yeah. You know the dull ones are the babies, the young ones?
Oh, okay, so the duller ones are the babies, the more colourful are the adults?
Yeah.
Hello everyone.
The normal colours are purple chested, And the paler purple are the females.
Okay.
And the brighter ones are the cubs. And some of them
Okay,
have,
so these more neon, like purpley ones, they're the males, yeah?
yes, yes.
Oh,
And
okay.
the lighter, the purple is the females.
Oh,
and then some
okay.
of them have variations. They have white chest instead of purple. And some of them are a bit more yellow, like a canary a bit. And then there is different color heads. There's the red heads, the black heads, and the orange heads, you know. And the cockatiels get variations.
There's a couple just right up there, hiding up there. Hello. Oh my gosh, there's so many beautiful birds that I've already seen thus far, and I just want to see them all. Hello. Okay. Hi.
They're New Zealand birds, kakarikis. Kakariki, the normal one in the wild is more green, plain green, and with a bit of red on it. But with Aviary breeding you get more mixed with yellow.
Hello.
It's the female in the back and the male in the front with the yellow head. So that's a princess.
Hi.
See, the blue one is a variation again. And that's the normal color, the one with the pink and the bright green.
Oh,
yeah,
hello.
All right. Yes, yeah, you're a cutie. You're a good boy.
Hi. Oh, you're both so cute. Look at your tail, so long. Oh my gosh, all the doves over there. Hello.
No, not in there, over here.
If they fly in the sky, they show off the males, some of them.
Oh, okay, so they do
don't
like
put their
tricks
stuff.
and stuff. Males always the show-offs.
Yeah, of course.
Oh, they're so beautiful. I just love seeing so many different varieties and colours of birds all together.
Yeah, you
It's
can-
just
if there's a
so
bit of
beautiful.
Space, you can have different varieties
Yeah.
more together.
Hi. Oh, hello. Hi. Oh, hello. Someone wanted to come up and steal the spotlight, apparently. Hi.
You like your apple, don't you?
Hi. Hi there. Hello. Whoa. Hello, everyone. Hi. Hello. Oh, you did a big yawn. I mean, if you're fine with us going in, I would for sure be more than happy to go inside with the birds. Some refilming through here just in case if my camera's footage didn't work out too well, because it looks like it's got a little bit of condensation in the lens. So hopefully that doesn't kill it and I can sort that out for when I want to film YouTube video next. Not have to get a new lens. Yay. This aviary here, you can walk around in, say hello to birds. They most likely won't come up to me. But so many of them. Look at them all. Imitating the pigeons. Oh, the pheasant. Oh my gosh. Hi. Oh, you came out of nowhere, pigeon. Hello. Hi. What are you doing? That's probably all you're going to see from this little trek to this gorgeous place here in Tassie. Having a look around at all the different flora and fauna. I hope you enjoy this footage. Hopefully it turns out well. I'm going to be using a mixture of what I caught on my camera and on my phone. So hopefully enjoy all the footage of birds and animals. The birds are animals. Birds and plants. Some gorgeous flora and fauna here with some even more stunning landscaping work that they've done. Hopefully enjoy this interesting little video, little excursion. Thank you for watching. Bye!